In this video, I'll show you how to install the QuantV graphics mod in GTA 5 to achieve ultra-realistic visuals and enhanced lighting. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And then close tab here and open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed for GTA 5, then check my video description for this tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager. Make sure all three are installed and then select this edit mode and select the yes option. Go back and open the install OIV, drag and drop this OIV file inside. Select the install option, select this mods folder. If it doesn't have mods folder created for GTA 5, then check my video description for this. So how to create a mods folder in GTA 5. Once you create it, select the mods folder and select confirm installation. Once this done, go back and open the optional. Open this reshade and drag and drop this OIV. Select the edit mode and select the yes option. Now drag and drop. Select the install option and select the mods folder and select confirm installation. Once the installation is done, close tab here and launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.